Trial is at its third stage and comes at a time when new COVID variants are circulating globally and new vaccines are needed to protect all. Currently, researchers are at the community engagement stage of the trial and are expected to cover around 500 participants in the communities where the trials will take place in the country.
There are lots of arrangements being made to ensure that all participants are safe, and if it's fully rolled out, there's also arrangements to ensure that people who receive it are also safe, and if there should be any adverse event or side effect, this will be completely reported to the regulatory authorities, and then measures will be taken about that. But as we speak, the profile of the vaccine that we currently are testing have been found to be acceptable.
The 13-month-long study will ensure the safety of participants and test whether the study vaccine is safe and works to stimulate immune responses that might prevent COVID-19 disease. Researchers are expected to learn more about the safety and efficacy of the vaccine under trial conditions before its approval as a COVID-19 vaccine for the country. The Director of Research at the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Ibrahim Ojo, said Ghana has been placed on a high-profile list to produce vaccines in future, and these trials can help in that regard. He said though there are several approved effective COVID-19 vaccines, it is important to ensure there are enough vaccines for everyone in the world.
These two trials first are to ensure that we have more products available because there are new variants coming up, so it's important that we develop new products, that new vaccines that can combat the new variants coming up. Now there are shortages of vaccines across the world, particularly in Africa. So when these trials are also successful, I think to add to the stock, it adds to the portfolio of vaccines that we have. Secondly, for the Sputnik Light, it will be easy to administer because the Sputnik V is double dose. This will be like a single dose, so it will be easy to administer, and more people can get it. If one person is taking two and one person is going to take one, at least we'll get more people to get the vaccine. So I think people should just participate, those who have the opportunity to participate and support successfully the vaccine, so that hopefully we can get vaccine to combat, because the disease is not going now, and it's important we get vaccines.
At a stakeholders meeting, the acting director of the Navrongo Health Research Centre, Dr. Patrick Ansa, said the 3 research institutions are capable and ready for the trial and are working with the FDA to ensure standards and the safety of the participants for the trial. The study will be conducted in line with protocols reviewed and approved by the Dodowa, Navrongo, Kumasi and Kintampo Research Centres, as well as the ethics and standards of the Ghana Health Service and the Food and Drugs Authority.